Hey, how about that? Jlaw picking it up, grabbing the whole shot and early lead.
Well, like the announcer just said, 13 years, no racing, and he comes out and pulls the whole shot. And you gotta say, for GNCC, this is a great PR thing. As far as I know, it's a mix between like enduro racing and motocross. I could be wrong about that, and if I am, comment down below, tell me, correct me. But for them, this is great. I mean, it's all over social media. It's being watched. It's on all of the Vital and Verb and all those, news channels. And this is great. Apparently he finished second, like 3 minutes or whatever behind the first guy. And I don't know if this is, like, again, I don't know what the industry class is. I don't know if this is competitive or if this is for people who want to come out and race, but whatever. It's cool for them. It's for the sport in general, for GNCC and for all the people who race it. This is so much exposure for their series. Because obviously the big things are Supercross and Motocross, MXGP and all those. This is, if you're into it, I'm assuming it's probably what you really pay attention to. If you're kind of into bikes, it's probably the back burner thing. But for them to be, for one weekend, obviously not everyone's going to continue watching this or paying attention to it, but for one weekend at least, you're going to gain a lot of fans, and you're probably going to gain some long-lasting fans from this who either went and watched the race, are now paying attention to it on social media or through one of the news sites or anything like that. But I think it's cool. I mean, good for him to, after 13 years, come back and race and do well. I mean, if he'd come back and raced and finished last or not finished at all, it would have been kind of a joke. But in the comments below, you tell me, did you pay attention to this? Do you already watch GNCC? Like I said, if you know, please in the comments below explain to me what the industry class is, because I looked it up, or I looked on the GNCC website, and they said it's like 153 classes for bikes, and then there's more for ATVs and everything else. But if you know what it is, comment down below, or what you just thought of the weekend, or your thoughts on Jlaw, because he hasn't raced in 13 years, so a whole generation of people watching this sport probably have no idea who he was. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.